Welcome back. Losing hair is tough for men and women, but when you're looking for a fuller head of hair, many people don't understand all the different options there are. So Mickey Williams has brought with her a smart solution to this problem, and joining her is Cynthia Rager, the COO of Vision Medical, and they've created something called the revolutionary SmartGraft. Welcome, Cynthia.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so tell us about SmartGraft. What is it?
Well, SmartGraft is a revolutionary machine that creates a system called follicular unit extraction. And basically what it's going to do is take little tiny micrografts and help you transplant them from areas that are bald resistant into areas where you need hair.
Okay,
So,
now this is, the technology has been here before, but this is different. Help us understand why this is different.
It's so different because before we had to worry about having a linear scar. They would take a section of the skin out of the back of your head, stitch it up, cut the grafts into pieces. The grafts had to lay on a board. Now we put it into a biosphere. We shower them. We control the temperature. So every little precious graft is in the best environment so that when it gets back into the scalp, we know that it's going to have its greatest viability, and that means that the patient is going to have a better outcome. So we're really, really patient-centric with this kind of procedure.
Okay,
Wow.
tell us about the actual procedure. Is there a downtime, recovery?
Yeah,
Look at
And you can
this.
see that the results
So
are amazing.
The procedure is so easy. It's done in several hours. One of the things that SmartGraft has done with its technology is that we've moved it from an all-day procedure into just a few hours. The patient comes in, they are numbed, their extractions are done, they're reimplanted, their hairline is designed, and they're back out in several hours, and they're even washing their hair, which I found absolutely amazing when I started working with this. They're washing their hair in 48 hours.
Wow.
my goodness.
Now, does
I
it
know,
grow?
Yeah, does it grow
Or is it
back?
implanted in
It's
full
their
length?
own hair. It's little tiny grafts. And so
Okay.
what's going to happen is that it's going to fall out as it goes into a dormant phase. And over a period of time, it gradually grows in. So it's very natural. And you're not going to have all of a sudden no hair, and then the next day you have a full head of hair. So it takes perhaps 9 to 12 months for it to be at its full cycle on some of those after pictures that you saw.
Which would be more natural.
You were saying that it's not just for the head, too.
This can be done for other areas of the body, and in particular, we're seeing some doctors do eyebrow transplants, which is, I think, an extremely big amount of people, women, the market that are interested in this. What we find is that the women that have their, and not just women also, have their eyebrows transplanted, but they also perhaps want their part line to be filled in, the temple area. So it's not just for men, it's for women as well.
What about different skin types?
Well, that's a great question, because some of the older technology that was on the market would not allow you to do different skin types, different hair sizes, shapes, very curly hair. But the new technology that we have is good for men, women. It can be done for all skin types, for all hair colors.
Wow.
So really, it fits everyone.
So it's opening it up to
Yeah.
everyone.
So it stays once you have it
So
transplanted.
it's your hair, yeah.
It continues to
you
grow.
move it from a bald-resistant area with very, very little issue in terms of recovery. A day or two, that little tiny punch is sealed up. You can't see it. And you put it where you want. The physician can design it. You put it where you want it, and it stays. It's yours
You
forever.
mentioned a physician. There's
amazing.
one locally here.
We have a local physician, Dr. Roger Basson, here on the Suncoast area. And if you are in another area, just go to our website, which is www.smartgraft.com, and we will find a physician for your area.
That's great.
Oh, yeah.
It's a problem that really affects a lot of people, you know, mentally if they're not happy the way they look physically.
That's
So
true.
it's
It's a
great that we
big
can
game
solve that.
changer.
It is a
Oh,
game
yes.
changer. All right, SmartGraft available here on the Suncoast. So we appreciate you being here, Cynthia, and we will be right back.